Hey tribe, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Judy. Thank you so much for being here. As the title of the video today suggests, I am purchasing a few appliances for my kitchen. Major reason is because I'm building a home bakery. I have been doing this as a side business for a couple of weeks, maybe 2 to 3 months now. I have 3 items on my menu, which is cupcakes, muffins, and cookies. But I decided to add another, product, which is the mini donuts, and that means I needed to get a mini donut maker, and that is what I came out to do. So I had ordered the mini donut baker from another shop online, but they did not deliver. So I decided to pass by the shop and get the donut maker myself because I had not paid yet, only to find that they did not have it in stock. So that meant moving around and try and find it in a different shop, because they asked me to wait for I don't know how many, like an hour before they could bring them, because they said the stock was coming. So I did not have the hour to spare. So I moved around and I came across this shop. This is OTC Mall. I think it was on first floor. I'm not quite sure, but I think it was on first floor. And this is where I bought my mini donut maker. Now I'm going to give a review of this product after I have used them for a while, and especially the mixer, because I ended up getting a hand mixer as well. But really bad luck, very bad luck with hand mixers. They always get spoiled after using like a day or two. They heat up in a few seconds and blow up. So I wasn't quite sure, but I decided to get the same brand. This is the Sokani brand for the two of them, and then I'll give you a review once I have used them. Sawa basi. Ushaitasikia kama ina nini, inatoa sauti loud sana mtu akitumia? Sinaweza kisha tusikie. Sawa sawa. Sikia kama nitajifinya, ni risk tu. But hizi sijasikia nitalipa. Mmekuwa mkiziza for a while? Test one, kwa zinahitaji, lakini ukinunua kitu ikudisappoint mara mbili utogopanga. Though si brand nimetumia. Kumbuki hata ilikuwa inaitwaje? Bweka tu. Kumbuki hata ni gani. But ilichomeka ina overheat hata unaona venye unaipumzisha after like 2-3 minutes. Ili overheat ika blow mpaka ikanini. Lakini hata hii ina warranty. I'll quickly show you what I got as we unbox these appliances together. By the time of recording this voiceover, I have used these two appliances for close to a month now, and I have not had any problems with it. So the first thing I got was this Sokani donut maker that is a 12-piece donut maker. That means you make 12 mini donuts at a go. It's perfect. Honestly, I have not had any problem using it. It's easy to use. It takes minimal time. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes max to bake your mini donuts to perfection. And so this is a product I would recommend, and especially if you are a stay-at-home mom or a stay-at-home wife and you'd want a business that you can do from home, this is perfect. This is the appliance that you need to get for that business. Also, if you're working and you want a side hustle or you want something just to bring a little more income, you can get this mini donut maker, bake your donuts, pack them, go sell to your colleagues at work. You know, there's a lot you can do with this and make extra cash. I would highly recommend this Sokani. It's been great. It's been perfect. So far, so good. The other appliance that I got from this shop, again, is the Sokani hand mixer. To be honest, I was a bit apprehensive of buying this because of the experiences I've had with hand mixers. However, the lady at the shop really convinced me that it does not have problems. They have not had any bad review and they have sold them. I did see they have quite a bit of Sokani products on their shelves, and I took a word for it. Good enough, fair enough. 3-4 weeks later, it's perfect. I use it mostly when I'm making my dough for the cupcakes or for the cakes, and it's really good. I cannot complain. So this is also an appliance that I would recommend if you want to start more. This is just 2 liters, but it's good because I'm not doing commercial baking. I just bake for small occasions like birthdays or for snacks for the kids for the week and all that. So in future I plan to buy a bigger mixer, and I think I'm going to buy still from the Sokani brand. These two appliances have served me really well so far, and these I would recommend to any of you that would want to set up a home bakery, or if you just want to buy them to bake for your family. These are perfect. Besides that, I got soap dispensers, I got Ziploc bags, I got a whisk, and what else did I buy? I think that's all that I got besides everything else that I bought from the supermarket. So we are good to go. I will be sharing this journey with you as we go on. So hope you enjoy. I will see you in the next video. Bye.